So let's say I have a table like this. I just created some dummy data here. And I've got this field called provision. And I want to sort these values in a custom way. So for example, I want provision 0 to be first, and then provision 1, etc. If I just sort this as it is, it's going to sort alphabetically. So G1 and G10 is together instead of G2 being next, which is not how I want to sort this. So the way I would do this is I would use a reference table, and let me show you what I mean by that. I'm going to use a query, and I'm going to do this and do totals so that I get one row for each unique value. And then I'm going to do a make table query. Call this provision codes. Okay, so now this table has each of those unique provision codes. Now what I would do, every table should always have an auto number primary key. So I'm going to save that. Now I'm going to add a field to this called sort, if I could type, all caps sort IX, and that's just going to be the sort index that I use. So this field is a number, which means it's going to sort properly when I populate this. So I'm going to go in here and let's say I want general to be first, and I want this to be 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 2, 3, 4, 5, 8, 9. So that's the order that I want things to sort in. So there, now you can see that's going to sort correctly. So now what I would do, so you have a couple choices. You can join this provisions code to your table based on that provision text. I would not do that personally. I would make this a foreign key. Provision codes, ID, number. And then I'm going to do this. I'm going to save that, and now I'm going to do an update query. So I'm going to take this text and I'm going to do an update here. Update. And I want this to be that value. Run that query. And now when I look at my table, I have, this is the primary key for that provisions code table that we just created a moment ago, which means I don't need this column anymore. I can get rid of it. Save that. Don't need to save this. Now while I'm at it, I'm going to create a relationship to make sure that I maintain referential integrity. So I'm going to create that relationship, maintain referential integrity, save that. So now in your query, when you want to sort these the way that you want to sort, you just go here, provision code, sort ascending based on your sort index, and now everything sorts the way that you want it to sort.